could ni, you can use it to show a possibility. Satu kemungkinan. Contohnya, ayat ni. It could be that he was in love with her sister. Could be, maksudnya mungkin. Or if you want to be polite when you're asking for something from someone. So, kita guna macam ni. Could you please tone it down? Or could you please keep it down? You can use could ni sebagai past tense untuk can. Contoh, 50 years ago, you could buy a curry puff for just 10 cents. Of course, last but not least, you can actually use could to say something conditional. Benda-benda yang ada if atau benda-benda imaginative. Contohnya, if I could fly. Now, should ni ada elemen patut. Contoh, you should do that. Awak patut buat benda tu. Contoh benda-benda yang awak patut buat. You should eat, you should drink, you should study. Dah study belum? Or, you can use should for something that is expected. Macam lagu Bruno Mars tu. He should have brought her flowers. He should. Awak juga boleh guna should untuk gantikan if. Orang jarang guna, tapi it's actually very nice. Contoh, if you go, I will go with you. Ganti dengan should. Should you go, I will go with you. Romantik tu.
Aku yang patut memberikan segala yang aku mampu melakukan apa-apa saja untuk dia.